Lesson 8. Character Design. To create your own character, start by developing a concept for the character. Consider their personality, traits, role in the story, appearance, age, and unique characteristics that make them stand out. Begin sketching your different ideas for your character. Explore various shapes and proportions and features that align with their personality and overall visual style of your animation. Experiment with different facial expressions, body types and clothing styles. Refine your sketches and choose a design that best represents your character. Consider their backstory, motivations, how they fit into your narrative, and consider personality traits and quirks which might make them more relatable and engaging. Drawing humans. Drawing humans can be a rewarding and challenging endeavour. Here are some steps and tips to help you draw human figures. First, start with the basic shapes. Begin by sketching basic shapes to establish the overall proportions and pose of the figure. Use circles, ovals, rectangles and triangles to represent the head, torso, limbs and joints. Step 2. Establish the skeleton. Add a simplified skeleton to guide the proportions and pose of the figure. Draw lines to represent the spine, shoulders, hips and major joints. This will help you maintain proper proportions and balance. Step 3. Blocking the body. Use simple shapes, circles, squares and rectangles and triangles to block in major masses of the body, such as the head, torso and limbs. Pay attention to the angles and curves of the body and how they relate to each other. Step 4. Add details. Once you've had the basic structure in place, start adding details to the figure. Define the features of the face, the muscles and contours of the body, and the folds and wrinkles of the clothing. Step 5. Study anatomy. Familiarise yourself with human anatomy. To better understand the underlying structure and proportions of the body, study the skeletal structure, muscle groups and how they affect the surface form. Step 6. Observe and practice. Study real-life references such as photographs or live models to observe the nuances of the human figure. Practice drawing from observations to improve your understanding of proportions, gestures and details. Step 7. Gesture and movement. Capture the gesture and movement of the figure by emphasising the flow and rhythm of the body. Use fluid lines and dynamic poses to convey a sense of energy and life. Step 8. Practice proportions. Pay attention to the proportions of the different body parts in relation to each other. For example, the head is typically about 1/7 the height of the body and the hands are roughly the same size as the face. Step 9. Study different body types. Humans come in various shapes and sizes. Study and practice drawing different body types, ages and genders to develop a diverse range of characters. Step 10. Experiment and develop your style. As you gain confidence and skill, experiment with different styles and approaches to drawing humans. Develop your own unique style that reflects your artistic vision and preferences. Remember, drawing humans takes practice and patience. Don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Keep practicing, studying and observing to improve your skills and develop your own artistic style.